A series of soldier-led flight tests of the Precision Strike Missile, PrSM, was recently completed at White Sands Missile Range in New Mexico. The events mark the first operational firings of PrSM from a HIMARS launcher and from both pods of the M270A2 multiple launch rocket system, showcasing the missile on fielded artillery platforms. The successful trials validate PrSM's ability to provide troops with modern, long-range target neutralization options and enhance the lethality of existing fires formations. The PrSM program was initiated to succeed Army ATACMS, whose approximately 190-mile, 300-kilometer range and diminishing upgrade headroom limited its battlefield utility. The Precision Strike Missile, developed by Lockheed Martin, is a next-generation family of precision surface-to-surface weapons engineered to enhance deterrence and provide advanced capability for neutralizing, suppressing, and destroying targets at greater range. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how PrSM is set to change balance of ground-based fires for the U.S. Army. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Carolyn Orzechowski, Vice President of Precision Fires Launchers and Missiles at Lockheed Martin, stated, "This milestone validates the Army's to employ the Precision Strike Missile across all operational launch platforms and confirms full mission readiness." Lockheed Martin remains committed to advancing 21st-century security solutions for the warfighter, leveraging digital technologies to accelerate development, testing, and fielding. The recent tests demonstrated the PrSM's extended range performance against targets and its compatibility with both Lockheed Martin-built launcher platforms. According to the company, the missile met all success criteria for lethality, range, and accuracy from launch through impact, reinforcing the Army's capability to defend the homeland and deter adversaries. Lockheed Martin noted that the continued progress of the PrSM program reflects the close collaboration and agile development partnership with the U.S. Army, focused on speed, innovation, and operational readiness. Selected as the program's prime contractor in 2016, Lockheed Martin conducted the first successful flight test of the Precision Strike Missile on December 10, 2019, at White Sands Missile Range, New Mexico, validating the missile's core design and propulsion system. The current PrSM, known as the Increment 1, is the surface-to-surface spin-stabilized solid-propellant rocket, offering a maximum range of 499 kilometers, 310 miles. The missile is approximately 13 feet, 4 meters long, with a 17-inch, 430-millimeter diameter. A key design improvement over Army ATACMS is PrSM's slimmer form factor and advanced propulsion, which together allow two missiles to fit in a single MLRS pod. This means M270, MLRS, and M142 HIMARS can carry 4 and 2 rockets respectively, effectively doubling launcher loadouts versus the legacy system. Increment 1 is intended to engage a wide spectrum of targets, precise point targets and less well-located targets alike, supporting brigade, division, corps, Army, theater, joint, coalition forces, and Marine air-ground task forces in full, limited, or expeditionary operations. Engineered for 24/7, all-weather operations, PrSM employs an open systems architecture to enable modular upgrades and interoperability while keeping acquisition and lifecycle costs down. Increment 1 employs a digital inertial navigation system, INS, augmented by GPS for mid-course guidance and terminal accuracy. The guidance suite supports pre-planned trajectories and waypointing to engage stationary and moving high-value targets within the engagement envelope. The INS-GPS combination enables high circular error probable CEP performance on the order necessary for precision strikes against point targets. Integration with Army Fire Direction Control and Joint Targeting Networks enables PrSM to operate within coordinated multi-domain fires plans. The avionics package is built around modular processing blocks and digital data links that allow the missile to accept updated target coordinates during flight, subject to rules of engagement and data link availability, improving flexibility against mobile or time-sensitive targets. PrSM Increment 1 fields a 200-pound, approximately 91-kilogram high-explosive fragmentation unitary warhead optimized for neutralizing hardened point targets in personnel or soft target concentrations. The design meets insensitive munitions and cluster munition policy requirements. Unit cost for Increment 1 is roughly $3.5 million per round. Increment 1, with its published operational range up to 499 kilometers, approximately 310 miles, places it well beyond the legacy Army ATACMS family and provides a true deep strike capability for surface-to-surface fires from mobile launchers. This range transforms the operational geometry for ground commanders by enabling tempo-driven strikes at depth without reliance on air assets or theater missiles for many target sets. PrSM shifts the balance of ground-based fires by extending reach, increasing salvo density, and improving responsiveness for distributed formations. At the brigade and division level, units gain the ability to strike operationally significant targets that previously required cross-domain coordination. At the theater level, the system supports deterrence through credible, dispersed long-range fires that complicate adversary decision cycles. However, integration into doctrine requires refined targeting authorities, deconfliction measures, and command and control protocols to ensure the effectiveness of deep strike fires while minimizing collateral effects and respecting escalation thresholds. Technically, PrSM represents a modern, production-oriented, long-range precision missile with a balanced trade space of range, lethality, and launcher compatibility. Its combination of a compact airframe, advanced solid propulsion, GPS-INS guidance, modular avionics, and doubled pod loadout delivers a demonstrable force multiplier for artillery formations. As Increment 1 moves into production and fielding, future increments and allied integrations will determine the program's long-term operational footprint and doctrinal impact. Continued focus on production scaling, cost control, policy compliance, and seeker evolution will be pivotal to realizing PrSM's full promise for 21st century fires. While Increment 1 delivers an important leap in long-range precision fires, it is only the first step in a phased capability roadmap. Increment 2 introduces a multi-mode seeker, referred to as the Land-Based Anti-Ship Missile, LBASM seeker, giving PrSM the ability to acquire and engage moving targets at sea, such as enemy surface combatants. Increment 3 will prioritize upgraded warhead options and other lethality enhancements to defeat a broader spectrum of target sets. Finally, Increment 4 targets a dramatic range increase to on the order of 1,000 kilometers, about 621 miles, potentially doubling the current operational reach and enabling truly theater-scale deep strikes. It is evident that the PrSM family is set to grow, and this test is a key milestone.